Ayan guys, ito yung molly chicken. Molly holy. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Look good. Wow, parang diniguan. Luto lang yan guys sa piece of molly. Ayan, Spanish stuff. And then of course, I make Spanish rice. Ayan, with garlic. Ayan guys, at saka wow, yummy. And then serve with onion, red onion guys, and cilantro with lime. Okay, wow. And wow, I made it for Father Emmanuel. He's dreaming about it. Ayan guys. So titingnan natin mamaya kung masarap.